Good evening. May I see your passport, please?
Good evening. Here is my passport.
What is the purpose of your visit today?
I am here for tourism and to visit a few places.
How long do you plan to stay in the country?
I plan to stay for about 1 week.
Where will you be staying during your visit?
I will be staying at a hotel in the city center.
Do you have a return ticket with you?
Yes, I have a return ticket for next week.
Are you traveling alone or with someone?
I am traveling alone.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't have anything to declare.
Everything looks fine with your documents.
That's good to hear.
Please remember to follow the local rules during your stay.
Of course I will.
Welcome to the country. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Good morning. Thank you for coming in today.
Good morning. Thank you for inviting me. I'm happy to be here.
Can you please introduce yourself and tell me a little about your background?
Of course, my name is Emily, and I have been working in customer service for the past 3 years.
What made you interested in applying for this position?
I applied because I enjoy working with people and I believe this role matches my skills and experience.
Can you describe your previous job and your main responsibilities there?
In my last job, I helped customers, handled complaints, and worked closely with my team every day.
What do you think are your strongest skills for this role?
I think my strongest skills are communication, patience, and problem solving.
How do you usually handle difficult customers or stressful situations?
I try to stay calm, listen carefully, and find the best solution for the customer.
Where do you see yourself in your career in the next few years?
I hope to grow professionally, learn new skills, and take on more responsibility.
Do you have any questions about the job or the company?
Yes, I would like to know more about the team and daily work schedule.
We will review all candidates and contact you soon with our decision.
Thank you for explaining the next steps clearly.
Thank you again for your time. It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you too, and thank you for the opportunity.
Hey, I didn't expect to see you here. I'm surprised too.
Where are you going?
I'm heading home.
How was your day?
It was pretty busy.
Are you tired? Yes, I'm a little tired. Did you work late today? Yes, I stayed late. Do you want to walk together? Sure, that sounds nice. It's nice weather today. Yes, it feels really good. I'm glad we met today. Me too, it made my day better. We should catch up more often. Yes, we should.
I'll see you soon.
See you, take care.
Good morning. Welcome to our coffee shop.
Good morning. Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I would like to order a coffee.
What kind of coffee would you like?
I would like a latte.
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
I would like it hot.
What kind of milk do you prefer?
Regular milk is fine.
So that is 1 medium hot latte.
Yes, that's correct.
That will be $5.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Sure.
Here is your hot latte.
It looks great, thank you.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel.
Good afternoon.
How can I help you today?
I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
My name is John Miller.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
You booked a room for 2 nights.
Yes, that's correct.
Would you like a single room or a double room?
A single room, please.
Here is your room key.
Thank you.
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10.
Okay, thank you. My room?
Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Great.
Enjoy your stay.
I appreciate it.